Let me show you how to create an amazing brush portrait in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, place the image and adjust like this. Go to the adjustment layer and add gradient like this. Go to Brush Tool and select the mask. Now let's play with brushes. Brushes link in the description. Now you can use the brushes one by one like this. That's it. Brush portrait is ready. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.